In no time at all, both Amy, our CIO, and Brady, our CSO, a Stack corporation, have achieved a level of synergy and cooperation that never would have been possible prior to their adoption of Red Hat OpenShift. Cementing the company's digital transformation initiatives on the OpenShift platform produced a remarkable outcome. Two arms of the business, enterprise security and agile application development, two areas that historically have been at odds with one another, have been brought together as complementary forces. Each depend on one another, push each other to evolve and to grow, and ultimately generate the momentum and the change that Stack Corporation had envisioned when they embarked on this journey in the first place. By moving to an orchestration platform that had been hardened for the security needs of enterprise and designed specifically for the safe deployment of applications at orchestrated multi-cloud scale, Brady's team has been able to keep Amy's application development on track for delivery and in compliance with the company's security standards. Stack Corporation's digital transformation is continuously evolving, but now with a secure and enterprise-hardened platform at the core of their endeavors.